Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to Canigo Vlogs. So today we are gonna talk about the BS6 version of Duke 390. So guys, this is the BS6 version of Duke 390, and as you can see it has a stylish and sportish look. So it comes with LED indicators and even LED lights. And this is a curved fender, and here you can see reflectors, and these are the 17-inch alloys with 320 mm front disc which comes with bi-Brembo brakes. And these crash guards are given by the company. It says KTM written right over here and Duke written right over here. It has a 6-speed transmission, and even the telekinesis frame is colored orange, which gives it a sporty look along with the wheels. So here we go. Even the tail lamp has LED indicators along with turn indicators. Here we can see a indicator for the number plate. At the back we have 230 mm rear disc. It has a dual channel ABS with a 373cc single valve liquid cooled engine. And here is the intake for coolant. Even though it has a wheelbase of 185 mm, it's not good for our Indian roads. It's mainly for tracks. It's not basically good for our up and down roads, which in my review I got it. The 390 has a 13.5 liter tank which gives us around 30 kilometers per liter, and this is how you open the tank. And you have to press it harder like this. The tank body is of metal, and this is the fiberglass, which is a bit disappointing under its segment. The other rivalries offers us a metallic body. The seat of this Duke 90 looks very nice, and it has a nice leather quality, but the cushion is very hard. These are the grab handles for this bike. It says KTM written right over here and and alongside here. The bike even offers a slipper clutch, which is easy to use. This is the key which company offers us for 390. On the left hand side we got the controls for TFT display along with indicators, and down we got the horn which sounds like this. And on the upper side we got dipper lights along with high beam and low beam controls. On the right hand side we got engine kill switch button along with engine start off button. It says ready to race right over here, and the TFT gives us a lot of information about the indicators, engine checkup, ABS, neutral, and even the oil checkup and about the danger signal. And on the screen we can see RPM, speedometer, fuel range, engine heating. ABS is right here on this vehicle, and the kilometers driven. On the left side we can have trip 1, trip 2, date, battery volts, fuel range, along with side stand and a kill switch, along with time shown. The bike offers us a lot of information, like let's go to the settings, and here it is trip and data, and it says general info right over here. And trip 1, in trip 1 we can see around trip driven, speed, kilometers per hour, total time of the trip, and fuel range. And similarly like that in trip 2, and it says a warning sign right over here and the kill switch. And right beside trip it says right over here motorcycle, and it says ABS, whether we can use supermoto or road. Supermoto is basically used for off track. And right down we can go to the settings, and in settings we can see favorites. In favorites we can select which will display on the screen, like fuel range, data, battery, trip 1, trip 2, and here the quick selector 1, which uses ABS, and trip 1, trip 2 for general information, along with Bluetooth on and off. And here we are selecting Bluetooth and it says on and off. If we on the Bluetooth, it will display our calls and messages right on the screen. And down we have a display theme, whether to choose automatic or night theme. And down we got shift light, RPM 1 and RPM 2. We can change the colors of the RPM along with the shift light. And it says clock and date right over here. And the units, distance and fuel cons, and language and service. It even says the service, when is the next service done, along with some extra functions. This is how the exhaust sounds like. The Duke 390 has definitely an aggressive pull with a torque of 39 Newton meter. The 390 Duke takes on the likes of Yamaha YZF R3, BMW G310R, Honda CB300R, and of course the Bentley TNT 300, to name a few. It's been a bang for the buck and still is one of the best buys when it comes to performance, naked under the 3 lakh rupees price segment. The bike now gets 2 new colors, new decals, and along with that a bike directional quick shifter, which has been featured for the first time in this class. All these updates cost rupees 4,716, more than the outgoing bike price of 2.48 lakhs, and this covers the new BS6 engine as well, which in my opinion is a steal. And this is if they fix the bugs with the bidirectional quick shifter. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.